Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create solar system animation using PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to create a solar system for this presentation. First thing first, we need to add circle or the orbit to our presentation. We're going to go to the insert and then select the shape, and I'm just going to select the circle shape. Then we can draw the circle like this. And I'm going to change the shape fill. I'm just going to select no fill, and for the shape outline I'm going to select white, and I'm going to change the dashes. I'm just going to choose, for example, this one, and then I'm going to copy the circle to create planet orbit. Wait. Okay, and now the orbit is ready, and I'm going to put sun on this orbit on the solar system. I'm going to go to the insert and I'm going to insert picture. As you can see, I have downloaded sun, and I'm going to add it to my PowerPoint. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here on the center of the orbit, and then I'm going to add another planet to my solar system. I'm just going to add Earth. You can also add other planets like Mercurius, Venus, and the complete planet, but here I'm just going to add Sun and the Earth. Okay, I'm going to put it on the third orbit. Okay, and for the sun, I'm going to add spin animation. Go to the animation and then you're going to select the spin. Okay, and you can customize the timing. Go to the animation pane and then you're going to click on this option. Okay, then select the timing, and for the duration I'm going to select 5 seconds. Okay, and for the earth I'm going to make it revolves around the sun. I'm just going to go to the animation again, and we're going to select the motion path, and I'm going to select the circle. Okay, then I'm going to customize the path. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to customize the timing as well. I'm gonna select 10 seconds. Okay. Oh, it's too slow, but that's okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create solar system animation using PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.